Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel. So, before tayo mag-start, I would like to greet sa inyo guys, Happy New Year and thank you sa lahat na nag-subscribe sa channel ko. Thank you so much guys. I really appreciate it. So, today, i-discuss natin guys about sa paano magpa-firing. So, aware naman kayo guys na ang gun ban is January 12. So, malapit na. So, ibig sabihin kung gun ban, kahit may PTC kayo, PTC is permit to carry, yung gun nyo, void pa rin yan guys, hindi yan valid. Ang talagang hahanapin yan guys, although may PTC kayo, kailangan pa rin yung gun ban exemption galing sa COMELEC. So, yun guys. Ayun, kawal yung PTC. Anong gagawin nyo kung gusto nyo mag-firing? So, ito, during gun ban, open po yung range namin para sa inyo. And, meron kaming i-offer ng mga guns na pwede nyo i-rent. Yan. So, pwede pa rin po kayong mag-shoot. Meron kaming i-offer sa inyo na membership dito sa firing range namin. Ang membership namin, guys, is good for 1 year. It's 3,000 pesos. Ang privilege nito, guys, halimbawa, since gun ban man, mag-rent ng firearms namin, gusto nyo mag-alternate ng other firearms, wala kayong charge. Kasi since member kayo, lahat pwede nyo magamit ng mga baril namin. So, pwede kayong makachoose ng 9mm, 40, or 45. So, as a member din guys, meron kayong one guest na pwede nyong madala dito or pwede nyong magpa-shoot. As a member, halimbawa member na kayo, alin nyo lang is any valid ID. So, eto, may fill-upan kami ng form sa inyo. Ito, konting konting information ninyo. Yan, name lang, birthplace, address, cellphone number, and then signature. And then, picturean kayo namin. Gawan kayo ng ID, Gun Club ID. Yan, ito guys. Ito yung Gun Club ID natin. Yan. With yan, pwede nyo nang makuha yung ID card nyo. Magte-text lang kami sa inyo na pwede nyo nang pick-in yung card. And then, as a member guys, ang babayaran nyo na lang yan is bala and board. Halimbawa, gusto nyo mag-25 ng 9mm, 25 ng 45, walang charge yan na gun rental. Kasi nga, member na kayo. Yun yung privilege as a member. So, din kayo, tapos walang discount sa Armscore, walang 20% discount. Meron po kayong 10% discount sa lahat ng item except sa local. So, yun guys, halimbawa, okay na, nakapamember na kayo, may waiver tayong 15 upan. Ayan, dito, fill up lang ng waiver. And then, be sure guys, yung guest niyo magdala sila ng ID, any ID. Yan. So, dito sila mag-fill up ng name and then sign. Then, and note guys, meron din kaming STK version 1 and version 2. Pwede nyo din yan magamit. And lahat meron kaming caliber 9mm, 40, and 45. So, before yan guys, kung halimbawa gusto nyong mag-shoot lang na for try lang, yung gusto nyo lang ma-experience, meron din naman tayong packages. Meron tayong 1,750 pesos na package, 50 rounds na yun, isang tao lang. Kasi lahat na siya all-in na. So, kung halimbawa member kayo dito guys, same lang din yan, nationwide yan. Meron sa Tarlac, Makati, Cebu, kung anong perks na anong ma-avail mo dito, same lang din sa kanila. So, ang bala natin guys, reload yan lahat. Kailangan amin lahat talaga baril, of course. Kasi ganun din naman, amin talaga yung baril, wala kayong So, ang bala niyan guys is lahat 9mm, it's either 9mm, 40 or 45, it's 19.50 ang per round. Pero, kung member kayo, less 10% yan. Another thing pala guys, halimbawa nagpa-member na kayo, tapos tapos na yung gun ban, the other benefits or the advantage is, halimbawa magdala kayo ng firearms nyo with complete documents, may PTC na, wala kayong corkage ng guns. Kasi kung hindi kayo member, meron kaming corkage ng gun ng 500 pesos. And then, the range fee, of course, 400 pesos. So, kung member na kayo, wala yan, void na yan, hindi na kayo magbabayad ng corkage and the range fee. Bayaran nyo na talaga is bala and board. So, don't worry guys kung halimbawa iniisip nyo na during gun ban nyo lang magamit yung membership nyo. No guys, pwede pa rin kayo magamit niyan after gun ban kahit meron na kayong dalang guns ninyo. I hope you like my video guys and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do share. Bye guys. Love you all. Mwah.